Okay, this is a wheel change in an Envirosight Rovver system. I'm going to flip it up on its side. I'm going to grab the appropriate Allen wrench, which is a size 5. I'm going to insert it into the Allen screw, and I am going to loosen up this side first, and then I'm going to loosen up the back wheel, just so that we got them loose, and it's easier to do it this way. So I'm just going to unscrew the screw and pull the tire off. I'm going to grab the appropriate size wheel. This wheel happens to be our smallest wheel. We're going to put that on, and it has a groove in the axle and a groove on the wheel. We're going to find the groove on the wheel and the axle, and we're going to grab the appropriate Allen wrench, which is size 4 for this particular size Allen screw, and we're just going to screw in till tight. Always hold the opposite wheel when tightening fully, and we'll do that on the other side as well.